Your question is fx is equal to 2x square minus 8x plus 5 for x belongs to real number 0 less than equal to x less than equal to k. They have given express fx in terms of a x plus b whole square plus c. State the value of k for which y is equal to fx has a line of symmetry. Find the domain and range of the function. So first what we have to do? So first we have to go for what? Squaring method. So they have given what? Fx is equal to 2x square minus 8x plus 5. Now if you see here it is what? First and second terms minus is there. And first we will take 2 as a common. So it will be what? 2 as a common. It will be x square minus 4x plus 5. Here it is minus, that means we will form a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square minus b square. And here 2 as common, here we will put 2 and here plus 5. Now if you see, this is your a minus b whole square, that means a square plus b square minus 2ab. Therefore, b square and minus b square get cancelled. So here you will get what? A square is equal to x square. That means a is your x. And minus 2ab is your what? Minus 4x. Minus and minus get cancelled. We know that a is nothing but x. X and x gone. B is equal to 4 by 2. That means 2. B is equal to 2. Now substitute this value here. You will get what? 2x minus 2 whole square minus b square, that means 4 plus 5. Now just to multiply this by this bracket, we will get what? 2x minus 2 whole square minus 8 plus 5. Therefore, this is equal to, we can say, is 2x minus 2 whole square minus 3. This is nothing but your fx. Now if you see, in first question they have what they have asked, see this, ax plus b whole square plus c. We have derived that. Next what they have told, state the value of k for which y is equal to fx has a line of symmetry. What do you understand by a line of symmetry? So just we will understand that line of symmetry means here you will get two values of x but has a common y value. We can say it should be like this, and here it will be a value. That means if you draw on y-axis or x-axis, you can get what? X you will get two values, but y you will get a single value. That is your line of symmetry. Now, so if you see this equation, 2x square minus 8x plus 5, you can see 2x square, coefficient of x square is positive. Therefore, we will get a minimum point. So, what are your minimum points? So, what we have to do? Just x minus 2, that is equal to 0. X minus 2, that is equal to 0. We will get x is equal to 2. So the coordinates is 2 comma and y is nothing but minus 3. y is equal to minus 3. So therefore we will get this is your minimum point. Now they have told the symmetry. In symmetry we will get two values of x. Just see the domain. Domain they have given 0 and last is your k. What does it mean? It means that one value is 0. Here one value is 0. Other value is k. And the mean is nothing but your 2. Therefore, what we will write? Here we will write 0 plus k by 2. That is equal to 2. Now cross multiply it, you will get what? K is equal to 4. So you will get the value k is equal to 4. Second one. Third, what they have told? Find the domain and range of the function. Now domain they have already given 0. So here what we will write? Domain is 0 less than equal to x less than equal to k is nothing but 4. And the range is what? You can see. We know that these two values y are equal. Therefore, now substitute this k value in place of x. Where? Here. What we will get? We will get 2 into 4 minus 2 whole square minus 3. That is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 square is 4. Therefore, 2 into 4 minus 3 that is equal to, we can say is 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Therefore, the range is what? See the value minus 3, y value minus 3 less than equal to fx less than equal to 5. Therefore, this is the range.